How to connect Virtual DJ with Spotify. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to connect Virtual DJ with Spotify and if this is possible. Virtual DJ does not support direct integration with Spotify due to Spotify's restriction on third-party DJ software access. Spotify ended its support for DJ apps like Virtual DJ, Tractor, and others back in July 2020 and has not been restored since. However, you still have some alternative options to work around this limitation. Alternative methods to use Spotify with Virtual DJ. 1. Download Spotify Music for offline use with caution. Use Spotify Premium to download songs. Then, use Spotify Music converter tools like Audifree, Notchburner, TunePad to convert Spotify tracks to MP3 or WAV. Load these MP3 files into Virtual DJ manually. Legal note: make sure you follow Spotify Terms of Service. These tools operate in a legal gray area and are meant for personal, non-commercial use. 2. Stream Spotify via virtual audio cable. Use Spotify like VB audio cable or SoundFlower. Route Spotify's audio into Virtual DJ as an input. Configure this input as a line-in deck in Virtual DJ. This method works best for live streaming, but doesn't give track separation or BPM detection. 3. Use an alternative music service compatible with Virtual DJ. Virtual DJ supports the following streaming services: Tidal, Beatport, BeatSource, and SoundCloud. You can access this via the online music folder in Virtual DJ's browser. Just log into your account in Settings, Licenses, Login. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Virtual DJ with Spotify or other app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.